Hello everyone, I welcome you all for this presentation. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about how to do matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication is a binary operation that produces a matrix from two matrices. For doing the matrix multiplication, we need to check whether the number of column in the first matrix must be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. If this is not possible, we are unable to multiply the given two matrices. The resultant matrix is known as matrix product, which has the size as the number of rows of first matrix and number of column of the second matrix. This is called as the order of resultant matrix. I will explain you with one simple example. A and B are the given matrix. A has the value of 1, 2, 3, 4. The size of A matrices is 2 cross 2, which means A has 2 rows and 2 columns. Similarly, for B, the values are 1, 2, 3, 4. The size of the B matrices is 2 cross 2, which has 2 rows and 2 columns. Here we can able to do the matrix multiplication for A and B. The order of resultant matrix will be number of rows in the first column, which is 2, and number of column in the second matrix, which is 2. So the order of resultant matrix will be 2 cross 2. This is the structure to multiply two matrices. First step is initialize the two matrices. In the second step, find the number of rows and number of column for the first matrix. In the third step, find number of rows and number of column for the second matrix. In fourth step, check whether the matrix multiplication is possible for the given two matrices. For that, we need to check whether the number of rows in the first matrix is equal to number of column in the second matrix. If yes, we can proceed to the step 5. Else, we need to print matrix multiplication are not possible for the given input. In step 5, we need to find the order of matrix. Order of result matrix is equal to number of rows in the first matrix into number of column in the second matrix. This is the formula for finding the order of result matrix. In step 6, we need to multiply the elements of each row in the first matrix by the element of each column in the second matrix and add their product. So this can be achieved in Java using nested for loops. In step 7, we need to print the result matrix. Now we are going to discuss how to solve the matrix multiplication problem. So this is the given problem. The two given matrices are A and B. A, the values are 1, 2, 3, 4 and the size is 2 cross 2. And B, the values are A 1, 2, 3, 4 and the size is 2 cross 2. We need to find the resultant matrix C. First step is, as per the strategy or structure we have seen in the earlier, first step is to get the two matrices. Just get two matrices here. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? In step 2, we need to find the number of rows and number of column for the first matrix. The number of rows for the first matrix is 2 and number of column for the first matrix is also 2. In step 3, we need to find the number of rows and number of column for the second matrix. Here, the number of rows for the second matrix is also 2 and number of column for the second matrix is 2. In step 4, we need to check number of rows of the first matrix is equal to number of column in the second matrix. Here, number of rows is 2 and column is 2, so matrix multiplication is possible. This is possible, so we will move on to the next step. In step 5, we need to find the order of result matrix. The order of result matrix is equal to number of rows in the first matrix and number of column in the second matrix. So number of rows in the first matrix is 2 and number of column in the second matrix is also 2. So the order of matrices is 2 cross 2. In step 6, we need to multiply the each element of first matrix, that means each row with each column in the second matrix. Multiply the element in the first row of A with corresponding element in the first column of B. Here I am going to multiply the first row with first column. So first we need to multiply 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3. So which is 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 3 is 7. Then we need to multiply the first row with second column in the matrix 2. For that, here this one we no need to find, not this one, not this one. We need to find this area now. So 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4. So the value is 2 plus 8, 10. Here we need to multiply the second row with first column of the second matrix. Here for multiplying second row with first column, so 3 into 1 plus 4 into 3. Then we need to add this. 3 into 1, 1. 3 into 1, 3 plus 4 into 3, 12. So it is 15. Just mention 15 here. Similarly, in this step, we are going to multiply the second row of first matrix with second column of second matrix. For this, the second row is here and the second column is this one. Here 3 into 2 plus 4 into 4, which is 3 into 2, 6 plus 4 into 4, 16. So it is 22. So finally, we get the resultant matrix as 2 cross 2. The value is 7, 10, 15, 22. This is how you have to multiply the two matrices. This is the program to multiply two matrices using Java. First, we need to declare a class using the keyword class, and matrix multiplication is the class name. Then we need to define the public static void main function. Here, first we are initializing the first matrix with the size of 2 cross 2. Then we are initializing the second matrix B with the size of 2 cross 2. The order of matrices, that is resultant matrix size, is 2 cross 2. So we are initializing the resultant matrix as C with the size of 2 cross 2. For array multiplication, we have to use two-dimensional arrays. Here matrix multiplication is possible. So we are going to multiply the matrices using for loop. First we have to initialize the I variable 0 to first matrix row, and you have to declare another inner loop with j is equal to 0 and j less than or equal to 2. This is column value of second matrix. We need to initialize the resultant matrix initially as 0. Then again we have to include another inner loop, for loop. By doing this thing, c of ij plus equal to a of ik into b of kj, this will multiply the first row with first column. This will repeat until the condition false. Finally, we are printing the values of resultant matrix. This is how you can able to write the matrix multiplication program in Java. Matrices are used for solving many real-time problems. Some of the applications of matrices are in image processing techniques. Matrices are used to convert a three-dimensional image into two-dimensional image for research purpose. Matrices are also used in calculating the gross domestic products in economics. In robotic automation, matrices helps as a base element for all robot movements. Not only in these areas, matrices used in many real-time applications. Finally, this video shows how to multiply two matrices and how this can be done using Java, and what are the purpose of matrices in real-time applications. Thank you.